Living small doesn't mean living cramped, you guys. Today, I'm showing you some awesome Amazon finds that are all about saving space and cutting the clutter. From clever storage to everyday helpers, I picked each one to make your home feel bigger, calmer, and so much easier to manage. As always, links are in the description below. Let's get into it. This drink glide is honestly one of those tiny upgrades that makes your fridge feel brand new. It stops your cans from turning into a messy pile and lines everything up neatly, so every time you grab a drink, the next one slides forward automatically. No tipping, no digging, no wasted time. You can adjust it to fit different bottle or can sizes, and it holds a ton at once. Next up, this spice carousel just makes cooking feel so much easier. You spin it and grab whatever spice you need. No more digging through crowded cabinets. It comes with glass jars that seal tight to keep your flavors fresh, plus labels and tools to keep everything organized. It saves counter space, looks clean, and keeps every herb and spice within reach, making cooking smoother and way more fun. Running out of counter space? This rolling kitchen island is basically a space-saving superhero for small kitchens. You get extra prep room, hidden storage, and even a spot to sit and eat, all in one movable setup. The tabletop swivels whenever you need a quick dining surface or side table. Roll it where you want, lock the wheels, and you're good to go, all while keeping clutter tucked away. Ever get annoyed digging through a stack of pans? This pan slider turns chaotic cabinets into smooth, easy access storage. You just pull it out and grab exactly what you need. Adjustable dividers let you organize pans, lids, trays, or cutting boards your way, and it's built tough enough for heavier cookware while staying steady as it slides. This faucet extender makes everyday sink tasks so much easier and cleaner. The 1080-degree rotating head lets you direct water exactly where you need it, whether you're washing your face, your hair, or dishes. Dual spray modes switch between a gentle flow and a strong rinse, and the splash-reducing design keeps your sink area dry and mess-free. Keeping baby feeding gear organized gets so much easier with this bottle drying rack. Upright pegs allow steady airflow so bottles, nipples, pacifiers, and pump parts dry quickly and hygienically after washing. The removable drip tray protects your counter from water, and the compact tree-style design saves space while staying stable during daily use. This foldable electric kettle is made for life on the move. The collapsible silicone body packs down small, yet it still boils water fast for tea, coffee, or a quick instant meal. With a 600 milliliter capacity, it's perfect for travel, dorms, or small kitchens whenever you need hot water fast without any extra bulk, and it plugs in anywhere for easy, no-stove convenience. Snacking and meal prep get a whole lot faster with this cup slicer. You just press it down and fruits, veggies, or hard-boiled eggs slice instantly into perfect pieces. The sharp blades handle everyday foods with ease, and when you're done, it's dishwasher safe and stores neatly with a protective cover. Let's talk about upgrading your workspace with this adjustable laptop stand, designed for ultimate comfort and productivity. The height and angle are fully customizable for ergonomic use, which helps reduce neck and shoulder strain. It's built with durable aluminum alloy and securely holds laptops up to 8.8 pounds. The open design promotes airflow to prevent overheating, and it folds up for easy on-the-go portability. Now this one's just for fun. This prank faucet sprayer looks totally normal until you turn the tap on, and suddenly water sprays out in this wild, unexpected pattern, kind of like a goofy little emoji having a meltdown. It's perfect for washing up or for pulling a harmless prank on an unsuspecting friend or roommate. Simplify laundry day with this collapsible laundry basket, designed for convenience and style. It expands to hold a full load, yet folds flat for compact storage. Non-slip, comfortable handles make carrying effortless, and ventilation holes keep your laundry fresh. It's perfect for small spaces, and it doubles as an organizer for other household items too. Keep your shoes and small accessories neatly organized with this over-the-door shoe organizer. It's got 24 breathable mesh pockets and can hold up to 40 pounds of items, from footwear to pantry or beauty essentials. The non-slip hooks give you a secure fit on most doors, while the breathable design keeps everything fresh and visible. Such a perfect solution to save space. Make measuring a breeze with this collapsible set of measuring tools. It's crafted from food-grade silicone, so it's non-toxic, odor-free, and safe for all your ingredients. This 8-piece set includes multiple sizes for liquids or dry goods, long handles for easy access to deep containers, and every piece attaches to a keyring for simple storage. Dishwasher safe too. This all-in-one avocado slicer makes prepping avocados such a breeze. With its ability to split, pit, and slice, it's basically an essential kitchen tool for any avocado lover. The stainless steel pitter easily removes the pit, while the slicer lifts the fruit into 7 even pieces. A soft, non-slip grip keeps things comfortable, and it's dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Cook perfect rice every single time with this 20-cup rice cooker featuring carb-reduced technology. It cuts carbs and sugars by up to 40%, while still keeping that great taste and texture. With 8 cooking presets, it's ideal for rice, quinoa, and more. It's sleek, it's compact, and the dishwasher-safe components make cleaning up so easy. Plus, the Keep Warm function gives you fresh servings anytime. Organize your lids with ease using these pot and pan lid holders. They're designed for quick wall or cabinet door mounting and installed tool-free with strong adhesive tape. Each holder fits lids up to 9 inches in diameter, keeping them tidy and accessible while saving valuable cabinet or drawer space. Such a simple, effective, game-changing set. Let's declutter your home with this 2-tier organizer built for convenience and versatility. It's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or vanities, with removable dividers for customized storage. The pull-out design with ergonomic handles make access easy, and its durable BPA-free plastic and stainless steel construction gives you lasting quality. Stay neat and stylish with this elegant freestanding coat rack. It's got 12 hooks at varying heights, perfect for coats, hats, and bags for the whole family. The built-in umbrella holder keeps wet umbrellas contained, and the rust-resistant metal frame ensures durability, ideal for entryways, living rooms, or offices, and assembly is quick and hassle-free. This versatile 3-in-1 velvet sleeper sofa gives you the perfect mix of comfort and practicality. You can effortlessly switch it between a guest bed, a recliner, and an armchair, which makes it perfect for small living spaces like dorms or apartments. The plush velvet upholstery and dense sponge filling keep it cozy, and it even has a built-in USB port for a compact, multifunctional solution. Keep your documents and mail organized with this wall-mounted file organizer. It's got 5 durable mesh pockets designed to hold magazines, files, and letters neatly, perfect for homes and offices, with letter-size compartments that make sorting paperwork easy. Installation is simple with the included mounting screws, so it stays securely in place while keeping you clutter-free. These sleek floating shelves bring style and utility to any space. The modern, rustic finish blends seamlessly with a kitchen, bedroom, or living room. With a weight capacity of up to 22 pounds, you can confidently display decor, books, or your favorite essentials. The hidden bracket system makes installation a breeze, adding beauty and practicality to your walls. Add some style and function to your kitchen with this rolling island cart. It's got a spacious work surface, a drawer, and a single-door cabinet for storing your essentials. With smooth rolling wheels, 2 of which have brakes, you can easily maneuver it or lock it right in place. It's ideal for increasing counter space and improving your kitchen's organization. Dry your herbs with ease using this multi-layer mesh rack, a must-have for preserving natural flavors. The breathable tiers and U-shaped zippers allow quick access while making sure herbs, flowers, or fruits dry evenly. It's spacious, eco-friendly, and folds flat for convenient storage when you're not using it, perfect for gardeners preserving big herb batches. Upgrade your kitchen with this stainless steel mixing bowl set designed to maximize your storage. The nesting feature saves cabinet space, and non-slip bases keep things stable while you use them. Airtight lids keep your food fresh, and the included attachments let you prep ingredients directly into the bowls. Durable, easy to clean, and perfect for mixing, serving, and storing. Streamline your meal prep with this 11-in-1 mandolin slicer made from rust-resistant stainless steel. It slices, grates, zests, and spiralizes with ease. The non-slip base and catch tray keep your workspace tidy, and the included finger guard and glove add extra safety. Easy to clean and store, it makes any kitchen prep faster and safer. Crack and separate eggs effortlessly with this 3-in-1 egg separator. It's got a raised edge to crack shells cleanly, which helps prevent messes and keep yolks intact. The separator easily divides yolks from whites, and its non-slip grip keeps it steady on most bowls. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for any baker looking to streamline egg prep. Organize your spices in style with this clear acrylic spice rack. It's designed for versatility and can be mounted with adhesive or screws, whatever suits your space. Removable end caps keep the jars secure, and the sturdy acrylic construction adds durability. Perfect for cabinets, pantry doors, or walls, keeping your spices tidy and ready to use. Keep utensils and small tools within reach with this wall-mounted rack. 6 adhesive hooks hold up to 7 pounds of items, giving you reliable support without any drilling needed. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or entryways, it's designed to maximize your space while keeping everything organized. Simple to install and versatile for any room in the house. This 23-gallon waste container combines a compact design with real functionality, making it ideal for kitchens, offices, or garages. The swing lid conceals trash while allowing quick access, and vented sides make removing bags so much easier. A dustpan edge lets you sweep debris right into the bin, and sturdy handles make carrying hassle-free. Organize your desk in style with this modern metal organizer. With 9 compartments, it neatly stores pens, scissors, and other essentials while adding a sleek powder-coated finish. The rust-resistant design keeps it durable, so it works for office supplies, makeup brushes, or household items. Declutter your space effortlessly with this sturdy, stylish little solution. Simplify your dishwashing routine with this soap dispensing sponge holder. It's got a one-handed design that dispenses soap directly onto your sponge, reducing mess and saving you time. The elevated holder allows for quick drying, and the built-in drip tray keeps your counters clean. No more bulky soap bottles, just a compact, easy clean design that's a total game changer. Transform your stand mixer into a multitasking marvel with this spiralizer attachment. With 5 interchangeable blades, it slices, peels, and spiralizes fresh ingredients effortlessly. The durable metal construction ensures lasting performance, and the included storage case keeps everything organized. Dishwasher-safe blades make cleanup simple, perfect for healthy, creative meals made with ease. Replace single-use plastics with this set of reusable silicone stretch wraps. Flexible and durable, they're microwave, freezer, oven, and dishwasher safe for maximum versatility. The set includes 3 different sizes, perfect for covering bowls, produce, and plates. Easy to clean and eco-friendly, these wraps help reduce waste while giving you a sustainable way to store leftovers. Warm up quickly with this energy-efficient mini heater that heats in just 2 seconds using PTC ceramic technology. Perfect for small rooms, dorms, or offices, it includes tip-over and overheating protection for safe use. Its quiet operation keeps noise to a minimum while keeping energy costs low, and it's lightweight and portable enough to carry wherever warmth is needed. Mount this self-adhesive paper towel holder for a quick, hassle-free cleanup solution. Its durable stainless steel construction resists rust and keeps a modern look. It's designed for drill-free installation, so it's perfect for smooth surfaces, and it allows easy one-handed dispensing. Install it vertically or horizontally to save space in your kitchen or bathroom. Brew fresh coffee effortlessly with this single-serve coffee maker. It brews up to 14 ounces directly into the included thermal travel mug, perfect for busy mornings. The reusable filter eliminates the need for paper filters, and the one-touch operation makes brewing seamless. Compact and convenient, it's a great addition to any kitchen for quick, delicious coffee on the go. Store and display your wine collection with this stackable 8-tier modular wine rack. Holding up to 96 bottles, it offers a secure 3.5-inch opening for each standard size bottle. Made of durable pine wood with a wobble-free design, it's perfect for wine enthusiasts. Customize the unfinished wood with paint or stain to match your style, and it assembles without any tools. Make mincing garlic simple and efficient with this heavy-duty garlic press. Its durable die-cast zinc construction ensures long-lasting use, and the large-capacity chamber handles multiple clothes at once. The built-in cleaner removes peels effortlessly, and the soft, non-slip handles make squeezing easy. Dishwasher safe for quick cleanup, it's perfect for any garlic lover. Organize with style using this bamboo tea box, perfect for storing tea bags, jewelry, or small accessories. It features 8 compartments and a bamboo lid with a clear acrylic window for easy viewing. The elegant design reduces clutter while adding charm to kitchens, bedrooms, or bathrooms, whether you're a tea lover or just want a stylish way to organize. Keep your kitchen tidy with this heavy-duty 8-tier pot and pan organizer. With a weight capacity of up to 120 pounds, it's sturdy enough for even your heaviest cookware. The adjustable shelves accommodate various pot sizes, and it works on countertops, cabinets, or floors. Reinforced hooks add extra stability, and it's easy to assemble for organized cookware storage. This collapsible salad spinner is a space-saving gem for smaller kitchens. It not only dries lettuce efficiently, but also doubles as a colander and an attractive serving bowl. The smooth spinning mechanism simplifies washing fruits and veggies, and it folds down for easy storage. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making it a versatile, compact kitchen essential. These silicone ice cube trays make ice making simple and efficient. Each tray holds 14 cubes and features a removable lid, allowing for neat stacking and odor-free storage. The flexible design lets ice pop out easily without any twisting or bending. Ideal for ice, homemade treats, or baby food, these trays are durable, reusable, and dishwasher safe. Save space and organize your stemware with this stainless steel wine glass holder. It accommodates up to 12 glasses across its 4 rows, keeping them secure and easy to access. The matte black finish blends effortlessly with any decor, and simple installation makes setup quick under cabinets or shelves, perfect for kitchens and bars. Simplify your charging needs with this compact multi-port hub. Capable of powering up to 6 devices simultaneously, it uses smart flow technology to adjust output while protecting against overheating. The sleek, sailboat-inspired design keeps cables tidy and clutter-free, a practical solution for powering all your gadgets without juggling multiple chargers or messy cords. Turn unused space into valuable storage with this under-shelf basket organizer. With adjustable arms and no-tool installation, it easily adds extra room to cabinets, pantries, and desks. The sturdy, non-slip design keeps things stable, and its large capacity handles snacks, dishes, or towels. Perfect for quick, customizable, space-saving organization. Maximize your bathroom storage with this over-the-toilet cabinet. Featuring stylish raised panel doors and an adjustable interior shelf, it keeps your toiletries neatly organized. The open shelf offers quick access for display items, while anti-tip fittings keep things safe. Its modern design adds elegance without taking up extra space, ideal for bathrooms with limited storage. Keep your microwave clean with this magnetic splatter cover. It sticks right to the ceiling of your microwave when not in use, protecting against food splatters while reheating. The 10-inch size fits most bowls and plates, and steam vents release moisture to prevent sogginess. Durable, BPA-free, and microwave-safe, with easy grip handles for convenience. Last but not least, this silicone clip-on strainer makes draining pots and pans simple and efficient. Designed with flexible clips, it attaches securely to various cookware sizes, saving you time and effort. Made from heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it's perfect for draining pasta, vegetables, and more. Compact and easy to store, it's a space-saving addition to any kitchen, offering an easy way to keep your countertops clean and clutter-free. That's a wrap on today's picks, you guys. I hope these help you make the most of every square foot in your home. All the links are down in the description if you want to grab any of these for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.